Hey guys, we are so happy you're with us today. We're Live Tomorrow Now.
We're Zack and Linda McConnell, and we're on a mission to explore the United States 1 mile at a time.
Come along with us, guys.
Join us for the freedom and the beauty of life on the road here at Live Tomorrow Now. Whether it's national parks, hiking trails, finding hidden spots, great little restaurants, we're going to have it all, and we're going to capture it on film to share with you.
Absolutely. And if you're interested in exploring with us, come along. Go to our YouTube channel, give us a like, and subscribe today.
That's right, guys. Subscribe now.
Come along, guys. We'd love for you to be a part of it. Give us a like.
We're the duo behind the YouTube channel Live Tomorrow Now. Do you ever think about just hitting the open road, traveling, and experience all this great nation has to offer? Well, that's exactly what we'll do here on Live Tomorrow Now.
Absolutely. We've traded in our office for life on the road, and we are exploring the beauty of America in our RV. We enjoy sharing new adventures, tips, experiences, learning, and different ways to travel, and hope to encourage you to travel more.
My wife, she's addicted to travel, and our journey has taken us to some of the most stunning locations, and we're capturing it all on camera. We'll focus on positive content with the hope to build our RV community together, to make you smile and laugh, and to help you take the next step toward living your travel dreams.
Guys, join us as we take you on a journey of a lifetime, sharing our experiences and insights into the RV lifestyle. We'll be exploring camping areas, top attractions, RV tips that we've learned along the way, and show you tours of RVs we find. We've been traveling the country for years now, and we have learned so much about the RV lifestyle, from setting up camp to finding the best local spots to eat, and we're going to share our tips and trips with all of our viewers.
Hey guys, we're going to hit the brakes real quick. We want to remind you, if this all sounds interesting to you and you like this content, subscribe.
Absolutely. Come and be a part of our YouTube channel. Give us a like if you benefited from this. We'd love for you to subscribe.
We've seen the stunning scenery to delicious food. We're uncovering the best that RV lifestyle has to offer. We've camped for over 30 years, and we'll share our tips to save you time and money. But it's not just about the RV lifestyle. We also love exploring new cities and attractions. From small towns to big cities, our channel is all about experiencing everything this country has to offer.
So whether you're an experienced RVer or just looking to explore the world in new ways, this channel has something for you. We love sharing our adventures with our viewers, inspiring others to hit the road and live life to the fullest. We never imagined that RVing would be such a big part of our lives, and we have fallen in love with the freedom it gives us to explore new places and to connect with nature.
Join us on our adventure and discover the freedom and beauty of life on the road. From hiking in national parks to trying local foods. Meet the fellow RV enthusiasts along the way. That's what Live Tomorrow Now captures in the RV lifestyle in every video.
So if you're looking to explore the open road and experience the RV life, subscribe to our YouTube channel and join us on our journey across the nation.
We love sharing our experiences and tips with our viewers, and we hope to inspire others to take the leap and try RVing for themselves.
Hey guys, we have been camping over 30 years, but I've got a question for you. Do you camp with pets? Meet Winston. He's our super dog.
He's our camper dog. Guys, we started out with a little camper called a Scamp. It looks like an egg you pull down the road. Our friends would laugh at us because they said our Scamper was smaller than our Suburban.
Absolutely. We crammed the kids in there. It was amazing, and we had a blast. We still talk about it today.
It was a fun time. We had a great time.
And then we moved up to a trailer, and that had bunk beds and just more room, and we camped in it at all the state parks for years and years and years. And then we thought, wow, Zach's ultimate dream was to get a Class A.
Yep, so we got a motorhome, we got a Monaco. It's about 40 feet, and we are having a blast, so we feel like newbies all over again. But we're gonna have a great adventure. We've been from Yellowstone National Park all the way up to upstate New York, and it's been great adventures. And so we're gonna go back and recreate a lot of these adventures, see a lot of other things for the very first time. We want you to come along and be a part of it.
Yeah, our home base is here in Texas. We're in North Texas, but we travel Texas and all the spots, and probably my favorite spot so far has been Yellowstone. And I'm really curious, what's yours?
Well, let us know in the comments below, and we'll get to know you better, and hopefully you'll get to know us. And don't forget to subscribe.
Absolutely. That was lovely to just sit there and have a sunset and watch that. Ah, there goes my hat. Okay, we're gonna do that one though. This is really windy out here. Oklahoma border. Oh!